Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I love the Mr. Siga ultrafine microfiber polishing cloths for glass. These things are absolutely amazing. I've been using them for years. I just ordered two more 12 packs as business is increasing, and I've just, found myself almost running out of the bags that I have of the towels I've been using for several years. And this towel right here is actually years old. It's got a few stains on it from hitting some windshield wipers, things like that. But overall, these things hold up. They've been through, this thing's probably been washed, I don't know, 400 times. I think I have 36 of these cloths. Here's the new ones, and they list them at 35 to 40. You can see it has the tag on it, 35 to 40 centimeters. And yet, I would expect some shrinkage over time of a lot of washes, but hopefully you can see that. There's a pretty good deal of difference. Maybe they've shrunk up a little bit over time, but the edge seems a bit more than I would think would shrink. Anyway, I did not measure the centimeters. It does list them as 13.7 by 15.7 here on the new packages. The old packages don't. Um, these are good. I'll try and bring you in. I can't see what you're seeing right here. I will have a mirroring device here shortly. But screens on your computers, or especially in the car, the nav screens, things like that. These are absolutely safe. Of course, you want to pull the tag. You want to wash them before you use them. But I noticed that the packaging changed. Not a big deal. It's still a 12 pack. I did pull up some info on them, and I will share that with you. That I looked on Amazon, and they're 26.95 or 25.95, and I don't know if you see this Walmart online shopping there towards the middle. That saves you 11%. They are 22.99 in stock online. Delivery, I think, is free with Walmart.com. I've used them before. There might be a minimum to buy, but check that out, right, for buying purposes. These things look good. They come with the little anti-moisturizer fat packs in them. In the old one, they might be in there in the new ones, but I don't see them. The backing packaging has changed also. If you want to kind of freeze on that, I'll back you out a little bit in case it's too close. And yeah, I just opened this pack up and just pulled this one out. Same look, same feel. I'm telling you guys, if you are not using a polishing cloth like this, forget that it says microfiber. There's nothing about microfiber to these cloths. They just use that for marketing. They polish, they clean, I have, the two method system, one wet with ONR, one dry, folded in fours. Don't press your fingers down and make, your hand print, in the glass with your cleaning. Apply gentle pressure. When you have these things folded in four, you obviously have eight cleaning surfaces. That gets me around the car. I go around and do all the tops of the windshields, drop everything down a little bit depending on the vehicle, go back, get them up. This is after the washing process, and do the interior, exterior of the glass. So, super great claws. I'm real happy about these. I just wanted to share it with you quick and let you know that if you're having problems with streaking, for God's sakes, wear nitrile gloves. I wear 5 mil nitrile gloves on my hands all the time. Buy them at Harbor Freight. I actually wash them here in the sink, and uh, I'll fill a sink worth of dirty gloves. I will collect literally hundreds of them at a time, bag them, get them all out, drop them in a little APC, let them soak for a bit, and they're good as new. You're getting oils, you're getting sweat, you're getting just general dirt from your hands on your claws, and then you're going and wiping glass. And many of you wonder why you have, these light streaks and stuff. Wear gloves, stop the insanity. Get yourself these polishing cloths are never to be washed or touch any other microfiber type of cloths at all. Wash them separately. Have a lot of them. I have a bag that says clean and a bag that says dirty. I put them on a drying rack. I just make sure I don't, put them in wet in the dirty bag after use. I dry them, air dry, and then just wash them together. And your life will be a lot better if you're having trouble keeping your glass clean and everything. So, just a few tips, just a few things to think about. If you have any questions, comments, you can always reach out to me. Leave them in the comment section. You can call me at 727-742-7867. If you have a problem with anything, I try to mentor quite a few people. And also like, share, subscribe, do all the things that help the algorithms, that help my channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Thank you very much.